The influence and development of altcoins is increasing. This is due to the fact that the first cryptocurrency is owned by exchange and stock companies and individual investors. Gradually, Bitcoin holders sell them, and we observe how the price drops sharply. Exchanges are the same players and investors as you and me, and they are interested in constant trading and the influx of new players. Soon after the sale of their Bitcoins, exchanges, large funds and investors begin to support the course of other cryptocurrencies. Gradually, the purchase of altcoins and tokens begins, after which the price artificially begins to rise. And as you probably already understood, many new players are flocking to the fast-growing course of other altos. And here the most interesting thing begins. The price of an asset does not increase due to uniqueness or real value, but due to manipulation. How it is happening now. Dogecoin.